In this video, I am going to show you a best binary option strategy that you can use right now from today to make profitable trades on a daily basis. So watch this video very carefully, and I'm going to show you each and everything in a step-by-step process so that you can literally understand everything right after watching this video and implement it right now from today. So without doing any delay, let's get started. And before starting, if you don't have an account on Pocket Option and want use deposit bonus while you deposit your money on this platform, then I've given a special link in the description of this YouTube video. You can click on it and create your account on Pocket Option. Not only that much, you can keep on receiving deposit bonuses inside this platform. And if you want some free profitable signals to trade on binary options, then you can join my Telegram, which is also in the description of this YouTube video. So now let's get started. The first thing you need to do is just select all of this currency pair. Okay, make this currency pair favorite. Whichever currency pair you want to make trade on, just make them favorite. Just click on this star, okay, and it will appear at here. Okay, and then make all of these candles of 1 minute. Okay, so just click on this M1. Okay, so all of these candles are forming in 1 minute. And another thing you need to do is select the trading time frame M1, that is your trading time frame is going to be of 1 minute. And here you need to put the amount that you want to invest in each trade. So once you have done this much, then just click on here, okay, and then click on an indicator that is called RSI. Now you don't need to make any changes in this setting, but in case if you are using any other platform, then your period should be of 14. Okay, and then in its go to styles and make it mainline 2px so that it is more visible. Okay, and then just click on here so that it is more visible at here. So now next indicator you need to use is called super trend. Just click on this super trend, and in super trend also you don't need to make any changes, everything is fine. ATR period should be 10 and multiplier should be 3. Okay, so once you have these two indicators installed in the chart, then this trading strategy is extremely simple. Okay, so now let me explain you. Okay, I'll firstly make some trade. Okay, by explaining you should not make a trade at here. Okay, because the RSI line is at middle. Okay, so let's here also you can see RSI line is middle. Okay, so we should not make a trade at here. Okay, so here you can see it is nearly at the overbought region. So what we are going to do is we are going to make a trade by clicking on higher. Okay, so now let's see in another. So it is also in middle, don't make a trade at here. Let's go to another. So it is at the down in oversold region, so let's make a trade by clicking on lower at here. Okay, similarly let's see on any other. So it is at middle, just ignore it. Okay, so let's see in another currency pair. So it is also nearly at the middle, so don't make a trade at this condition. Okay, let's see another. Okay, so it is also nearly at the middle, not at this overbought region, so you should not make a trade at here also. So let's see in another currency pair. So here you can see it is clearly at the oversold region and market is falling down, it is saying lower, so this is the signal to make trade on lower. So let's see in another currency pair. So it is also at the overbought region, but it is not a little bit here curvy or flat. Okay, so that's why we should not make a trade in this condition also. So it is as simple as this. Okay, so this RSI should be in the, here you can see in one trade we have already made a profit. So RSI should be at here. Okay, so let's see what is happening at here. Okay, so let's see. So we made a loss in one trade. Okay, so in another trade is pending. So let's see at that. Let's see this trade also. Here you can see. Let's see what happened, what's happening at here. So we are going to, I think we are clearly going to make a profit at here. Okay, and the place where you need to make a trade is called this RSI should be in the oversold region or overbought region. Okay, and super trends show that, for example, here is it is near to this oversold region. Okay, and here you can see we have made a profit in this trade. So we made a 3 trade, and we made 3 trade, 2 trade was right and 1 trade was wrong, right? I'll make more trade. Okay, just keep on watching and let me explain you this strategy more properly, and don't skip this video because there are a few things that you need to understand to implement this strategy. Okay, so as you can see it is nearly at the oversold region and super trend is showing lower. Okay, so this is the exact condition where you need to make trade by clicking on lower. Okay, and if it is even below, okay, if it is hovering like this, okay, it is best to make trade in this type of condition. Okay, and even if it is below this line, okay, below this 30 line or above this 70 line, then that is more favorable, okay, to make trade. So let me see now another condition. So this is the place where you need to ignore, okay, not make trade. So here you can see it is also in middle, no need to make a trade at here. So it is, this is the good signal, okay, like it is literally above and it is trying to be at oversold region, okay. And here you can see the super trend indicator is saying higher, okay. So here you can take risk and make a trade by clicking on higher. But one thing you need to understand, okay, you don't just make one trade and stop there, okay. Decrease your investment amount if you are feeling afraid, okay. Make it $10, $1, whatever it is, okay. And if you don't have that kind of fund, then you can also test it in demo account firstly, okay. So make 2-3 trades, okay, so that you can be profitable by averaging, because 100% of your trade are not going to be right by using this strategy. But if you make 3 trades and 2 trades go right, 1 trade goes wrong, you are still going to make profit, okay. In that way you need to make trade. So as you can see here, it has literally just come to the oversold region, right? So you should not make trade at here. So let's see in another. So this is also a place where you don't need to make a trade. No, here you can see we had made a loss, but don't worry, we need to make 2-3 trades. So this is one condition where you can make trade by clicking on lower, okay. So let's see in another. Here it has just reached here, but we can make a trade by clicking on higher here. So let's see in another. So it is in middle again, okay. So I think we need to find more currency pair. Let's let me make this favorite, okay. So let's see, this is also good, but it is trying to be a little bit in middle, so let's not take risk at there. So here you can see, here you can make a trade by clicking on higher, yeah. So it is in middle, don't make trade. So this is also at no, okay. So you can take a risk to make a trade by clicking on higher at here, because it is literally trying to hover in the overbought region, okay. But it is still is not at the top level, but you can take risk, okay. So now let's see what are happening. 2 trades, 3 trades are going in right direction and 1 is going in wrong direction. So we made a profit at here, that was low, okay. So guys, as you can see here also we are going to make a profit, yeah. So in this way you can make trade by using this best binary options strategy to trade binary options on a profitable way in a daily basis.